We want to give a special thanks to Moose for sending these products to us for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. Today, we are taking a look at #FailFix dolls. Or is it just FailFix? This is a fairly new doll line with several different characters. We have Loves.Glam, Dance.Styles, and Slay It DJ. I've seen these dolls online at Walmart.com, priced at $18.84 each. Keep in mind, prices can change. On the front of the box, at the top it says, "Take over the makeover" with the character's name, or should I say their account name. We can see the doll and how they can look. At the bottom it says, #FailFix, Brush and Style, Magic Mask, Surprise Fashion. Turn the box to the side and it says FF. Then on the back, there is an illustration of the character. It says FailFix at the top, "Be my style savior." It looks like she's making videos of her transformation at Slay It DJ. Underneath, it says, No, this faux hawk doesn't slay. I look cray. My DJ set starts in an hour. It's a style emergency. Take over my makeover. I need help. On the side, it says, "Take over the makeover." 1, magic mask. 2, it looks like we're brushing hair. 3, faux hawk. 4, discover the dress. Day, sparkle, or evening. And at the very bottom, other characters and accessories sold separately. There are more instructions on the other side. It says, "Apply the magic mask, brush out the fail, fix the faux hawk, and reveal the fashion look. A total transformation." And there is a long list of contents underneath. 1 FailFix doll, 1 outfit, 1 pair of shoes, 1 earring set, 1 necklace, 1 spa mask, 1 removable failed face, 1 brush, 1 faux hawk hair clip, 4 hair elastics, 1 doll stand, and 1 how-to guide. Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. Okay, so I find the packaging to be a little challenging to open. And that cute little robe is a plastic shell covering the surprise outfit. It would have been so nice if this was a real robe. But once we remove it, we will see the surprise outfit. The how-to guide is located in the bottom of the packaging. The doll stand is kind of clear. It comes in 3 pieces and needs to be assembled. It fits around the doll's waist. Since her outfit was behind the robe, the doll does come dressed. Our doll is wearing a shiny dress with a pink glittery belt. The pattern does continue onto the back along with the belt, and you can see that it closes with Velcro. She is wearing a removable failed face. There is a lot of product in her hair. Super crunchy. Let's take a look at the how-to guide. On the front, we can see all of the current characters, and when we open it up, there is a list of contents, followed by 11 steps to get from here all the way to here, where we can take an after photo and share our #FailFix makeover. Aww, that's a really cute dress. She also comes with a spa mask, 4 elastic hairbands, a hair clip, a brush, and the rest of her accessories are in her hair. Like her shoes, they are pink boots with black painted details. I think that's an earring. If I can get it out of her hair. There we go. We have 2 earrings. They are clear plastic with glitter. And this is a necklace. It opens in the back to make it easy to put on the doll. The removable fail face has a lot of expression. She looks very concerned over her current look. The makeup looks like it has been digitally printed onto the mask. I can see little lines going across. There is some pixelation there, but hopefully everything will be all better after the makeover. So let's go ahead and apply the mask. And the instructions say to press until you hear it click behind the ears and let it work its magic. Next, we have to brush out the curls one strand at a time. Yo, these are so crunchy. And we just have to work it with this brush, starting at the ends. There we go. It is working. We're starting to break up some of that product, but this is going to take a while, or a minute, several minutes. Yeah, a while. Okay, so if you are a fan of brushing doll hair, then yay! This is definitely about creating an unboxing experience, because you're gonna be here just brushing hair. And the instructions say, the more you brush, the better it will look. So just put on a good movie and brush doll hair. The first one has been brushed out. It's definitely softer, but I can still feel some of the product in her hair. But the hair is left with a little bit of a curl, so that's good. Now let's just move on to the next one. Oh look, her hair is shaved in the back. That's pretty cool. 30 minutes later, we're done. This is a lot of hair. There is a lot of volume. The instructions don't say to use water, but I really want to use water. I'm gonna do it. Don't tell anybody. This is probably going to just reactivate all the product. Yeah, it's getting sticky. So let's quickly pull her hair up, place the clip underneath, then close it on top. There is a reason it doesn't say to use water. Yeah, the product has dried, and our faux hawk is a true faux hawk. It's like standing straight up. So if you're going to use water, you're going to have to wash her hair pretty much to get all that product out, or you're going to have issues. I guess we didn't fix our fail yet. So, hey look, it's slowly falling to the side. Very slowly. I sprayed it again. It's drying now, and it's definitely crunchy. So the moral of the story is, don't spray it with water unless you are prepared to do a full wash. Now let's remove the mask for the grand reveal. Whoa, okay. Looks like she's going all out with the makeup. We've got purple, blue, yellow, stars, and glitter. Her makeup is also a digital print with added glitter. She has glass-like inset eyes. I really like that. Let's add her accessories like her earrings, her necklace, and her shoes to finish her look. It looks like we got the evening look, which has very dramatic makeup and a shiny dress. So looking at the box, we can see that day is pretty simple. Sparkle has a little extra sparkle to it, and then evening has a lot going on. But you don't know which one you're going to get. I'm definitely more of a day person. But in order to get that look, I would have to get another doll for a chance to find her, which can get very expensive very fast, and you could end up with doubles. Dance.Styles is up next. You've got to be kidding me. This look is a fail. I can't even. My dance class starts soon. I can't move with this tangled mess. Take over my makeover. I need help. Step 1, magic mask. Step 2, brush the hair. Wait, doesn't she have braids? Step 3, high pony. Step 4, surprise fashion, where we can get day, sparkle, or her evening look. Please be day. Please be day. And we got sparkle. I can live with sparkle. This doll has brown and pink braids. There are tennis shoes in her hair. Let's go ahead and remove those accessories. A pair of white sneakers, white earrings, and a purple and white necklace. She also comes with a hair accessory, 4 hair elastics, a pink face mask, and a how-to guide. They seriously want me to brush those braids. Okay, let's put her little face mask on and brush them. I have never brushed braids in my life. The first one has been brushed. I do have some light fraying on the ends, but the good news is the brush is not snagging the braids, and I'm thinking that is because these little bristles or the little teeth are so large. But we've got some serious volume here. Her hair has been completely brushed out, and we are supposed to style it with a high pony. I am totally following the instructions. So we're gonna pull all this hair back, loop the elastic around it 3 times to get the high ponytail. Then remove the mask for the grand reveal. Her lips are 2 different colors. They are slightly pixelated. She has brown inset eyes, pink and purple eyeshadow, thick silver glitter eyeshadow. Her ears are pierced so she can wear earrings. Add her other accessories to finish the look. We'll be right back. And we're back. I couldn't help myself. I went ahead and did a hot water rinse, and now her braids are fabulous and very long. I'm just gonna leave her hair down. I like the straight braids. Personally, I think their face shape is so cute. I love the inset eyes. However, the makeup is just a little over the top for me. My last doll is Love's Glam, and I'm hoping for the day outfit. Nope, no way, nuh-uh, I can't be seen like this. It's opening night and I'm not red carpet ready. This look has got me shook. Take over my makeover. I need help. We know the drill now. Magic mask, brush the hair, red carpet curls, and surprise dress. Which one will it be? Day, sparkle, or evening? I'm working my magic. We need day. We need day. Day. And we have... I don't see any sparkle. Yes, I think that's day. Out of the box, she comes with a golden yellow face mask, 4 yellow hair elastics, 2 curlers, and a head full of accessories. Looks like we have some black shoes here. They are black boots with yellow painted details. We also have a golden yellow necklace and matching earrings. Apply the face mask, brush out those crunchy, and these are super crunchy, curls. Yeah! That took a good 20 to 30 minutes just brushing out her hair. And I didn't use any water. We still have some curls. Now, I did take a little bit of time to curl them around my finger to make them a little more defined. It is a lot of hair, and I am loving that color. Brushing all the product out does create a little bit of dust, so keep that in mind. And now it's time for the grand reveal! I'm actually feeling pretty good about this one. Oops, I did that wrong. Okay, here we go. I'm feeling pretty good about this one. If I can get the mask off, there we go. And voila! No glitter! And her makeup is a little softer, but I wouldn't mind if that was a little bit softer. Her eyes are like almost a teal color. Her lips are a little pixelated, but it is pretty soft. Now we are supposed to take a small amount of hair and wrap it around one of the hair curlers. Close the strap and wait. Then remove the curler to help define those curls. And then we can repeat until all the hair is curled. Add her accessories to finish her look. Here are all 3 of our girls. We have an evening look, a sparkle look, and a day look. Loves.Glam wears a black dress with gold printed details. The edges around the sleeves are raw. and the bottom of the dress has a raw edge with a stitch above it. Dance.Styles wears an oversized white jersey with purple glitter details, and it says Girl Power on the front. I like that her sleeves are folded under and hemmed. However, the bottom also has that raw edge with a stitch. And Slay It DJ has raw edges on the bottom of the sleeves and the bottom of the dress. Personally, I would have liked to have seen those turned under and hemmed. These dolls stand a little over 9 inches tall with shoes on. They are articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. They can almost touch their ear. I mean, you could kind of get it there, but it just kind of moves. They can touch their face, including their forehead. But I would have liked a slightly larger range of motion when trying to pose their hand on their hip. They come in a variety of skin tones, have rooted hair, and of course, we're loving those braids. However, I do wish they had real robes, and the amount of product in their hair to create that fail look is a lot. But nothing a little water can't cure. I am seeing a little bit of stress in that knee joint, so be careful to not overbend them. But I love the inset eyes and the idea of giving your doll a makeover to fix a fail. The removable face can be used again and again, so you can have makeover fun whenever you want. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Fail Fix dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!